A good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page with extra puzzles. And in the newspaper of the weekend edition of Sunday, May the 25th, 26th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. We have here the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. We have here 2 Sudokus, one with 2 stars, one with 4 stars, and the killer Sudoku. But we are interested in this one, the 4 star Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8597. 8597. Let me mark this. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Usually a 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 7 in this column. 7 in a last column. We have a 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 7 should be there. Alright. Then need a 6. How about one? Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 7. We have a 9 and 7 in this big square, so no 9 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9, 7, 9 and 7. Let me mark those. What are the other 3 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Okay, 2, 3, 6. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places level 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Let me see. 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 2 should be there. 2, we need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left here. Okay. Alright. Then, let me see. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Alright. Alright. How about? How about? Well, need a 3 here. Let me mark those boxes. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second. Well, in the middle row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, third column, no 3 there. So the 3 in the middle row could be here, could be there. 1, 1. Okay. Let me think. We have a pair, the 3 and the 4 in this column, the 3 and the 4 in the third column. So the column between the set column, the only two places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, okay. Need a 5 here. Interesting. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. What are these? The 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6. That means that box should be a 7. Yeah. This box should be a 7. The 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. Okay, so 3 missing numbers here. 1 and the 6. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 7, 9. Okay, need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. And need a 6 here. Alright. Need 2 there. Yeah. I need to think. Come on. I know that's 7. So we have a 7 there. Okay. 2, 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Okay. 1. Need a 1 here. 1 here. Need a 6 here. 2. Come on. What is the missing number here? The missing number. 8, 5, 4, 7. Well, need a 7 here then. Okay. In this column, we need a 7. Here can we 7 because we have a 7 in the third row. So no 7 there. So the second column, the 7 should be in one of those two. Oh, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7. The only place left for 7 in this column should be there then. Okay, 1 box left in this row should be the 9 then. 2 numbers left in the second column should be the numbers 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. Need an 8. Need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here. There we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. 9, 3, 1, 6. Come on. Think. 1, 2. Need a 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so the 7 could be here, could be there. And the 6 could be everywhere. 7, 1, 6. Need a 9 here. Let me put the numbers. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. There are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle one, no 5 there, 5. Could be here. Could be there. Think. Come on. 9317. Overlook this 9. 9 and 3, we have a 9 now in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Mark those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 9. So the 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in and that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Okay. Need a 4 here, and I need an 8 here. 4 could be here, could be there. 8 could be everywhere. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and the 7 are missing, 6 and the 7. Okay, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 4 and 8. Here are 2 numbers left. The 1 and the, I believe, the 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. So the 9, the 2, and the 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 9 and the 8 are missing here. That means that this box can be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. And that box should be an 8. Alright. Come on. 2. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for them. I believe the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Then here should be 8 and 9 are missing in this column. 8 and 9, okay. I need a 6 here. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for the mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and 9, we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Okay, so here 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5 in this row. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5 then. Then let me see. One box left in this row. I believe it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing then. Then 6, 6, okay. Two numbers left in this big square. One was the 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. One was 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 4 goes there. One box left in the last column for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then let me see. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left here, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 3. And 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we'll do the fix. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.